adult ka na, be responsible sa mga actions mo, sa mga decision mo. Kasi lahat naman yan para sa'yo. Saka, be wise.
I wish you grow up successful, and then I wish you still give me food, and then I want you to have a wealthy man.
Thank you sa lahat ng ng sacrifices, saka lahat ng alam ko naman lahat ng sinakripisyo mo para sa akin, lalo na sa akin. Yun lang, thank you.
Huwag mong kakalimutan ang God. At saka ang pagmamahal sa mama, andyan lang saka sa kapatid. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Summer sunsets, canyon clouds, feels like time is slowing down. Don't wake me now. While the world is chasing dreams, you and I got all we need. It's here and now.
Are you Eiffel Tower? Because I always fell for you. Sabi ko sa'yo, di ba, wag ka masyado mag-Roblox.
Andito lang ako if you need me. And if you need someone to talk to, andito lang ako.
Whatever it takes, kapag nanghina si dad, nanghina si mom, I want you to step up. Kasi ikaw ang panganay. Whatever happened in the past, or what will happen in the future, I want you to remember that family is family.
Happy 18th birthday. Yan. Pwede ka na mag-
Sign on and all the mind. Hi! What's wrong?
How I felt because of your gorgeous look.
Wow!
Ayan na yan. Okay.
Alam ko na matutupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Kasi alam ko naman kung gaano ka kaporsigido na mabot mo yung mga pangarap mo.
Enjoy mo lang yung gabi na to kahit wala si papa mo. Alam niya naman na gusto niya sana, pero siniguro naman niya bago siya umalis, kasama siya sa mga preparation nito para na-feel mo na kasama pa rin siya sa 18th birthday celebration.
Oh,